Looking for a modern 3-bedroom bungalow all-ensuite in Kitengela? This stunning home sitting on 50 by 100 plot is in a gated community of only 5 units, and the titles are ready. The source of water is from a borehole, and it is in a fast rising location in Kitengela. I can't wait to show you around. Come, let's take a look. So starting from where I am standing, this compound can accommodate up to 8 cars, and the compound is cabro ready. If you would like natural greenery, then you can have grass planted here or some of your sukuma wiki. This compound also offers a place where you can have your events without sourcing from outside. I love what the developer did with this space. So for the older citizens, we have a ramp, and for anyone else, you can use the staircase. I am also loving our front porch, really nice. You can put up your flower vessels on these corners, and for the nighttime, we have good lighting. Our double door ensures security and also ease of moving in. I am in love with the natural lighting, which is made possible by the large window to this living space. The continuous white paint on the wall is really commendable from the developer. You can play around with your art pieces and family photos. You do not have to come with your chandelier. You're already sorted by the developer. I am also loving the gypsum finishing with extra lighting. Now, something interesting about this unit, we have a small wall unit, as you can see. This one can be taken out, or you can still have it if you so prefer. Our dining space can accommodate up to a 6-seater dining table. On the far end, we have our wash basin. We can have a smart mirror put up, and also there's a small rail here for your towels. So you can rinse off your hands once you're done eating or before eating. We have our extended countertop to this end, and from this design, we are able to see that you can have your counter stools on this end for your quick breakfast. The heart of the home, every chef's dream, the kitchen area. We have plenty of cabinetry space, both at the bottom and also at the top. And right here is where you will have your burner, and we have space here allocated for your heat extractor. Our kitchen comes with a double sink. I told you earlier, the source of water is from a borehole, so there's plenty of water in this home. I am in love with the kitchen lighting. As you can see, the home is really beautiful with these fixtures. Our pantry area is so spacious. You will be storing your cereals on this end and any of your foodstuffs. You could have your fridge set over here if it is a double door fridge. Let's go to the laundry area. This heavy-duty door introduces us to our laundry area. We have an inlet, a socket for your washing machine, and we also have an outlet. I am in love with the grill design. This makes sure that security is paramount into the unit. Here is our backyard area, quite spacious. Our backyard is spacious enough, and as you can see, the developer already set up a place where you will hang your clean washed laundry. Let's talk bedrooms. So just a reminder, all bedrooms are en suite, and we will start with the first bedroom. Before we get to see the bedrooms, we have our common toilet area. This is for your guests and your day-to-day needs. Immediately you get into the first bedroom, we have our bathroom area, which also has the wash and basin, a sink to it, a very lovely setup for holding your towels. You can have extra storage spaces installed for your towels and detergents. This bedroom is suitable for the younger kids or can be used as a guest bedroom. It can fit a 5x6 bed and has a floor-to-ceiling cabinetry area. Introducing the second bedroom. It has a similar setup just as the first one, with a bathroom and basin area. For the second bedroom, it is ideal for the older kids. Also has a floor-to-ceiling cabinetry, and I am loving the grille situation on the windows. This ensures total security. I also love how large the windows are, so natural lighting is maximum. We also have curtain rails, which are modern for this setup. Finally, ladies and gentlemen, we get to see the primary bedroom. But before that, there's something interesting about this unit. So in case of any security emergency, we have an alarm button. Our primary bedroom is large enough to fit in a 6x6 bed, and you can have your side drawers. There's plenty of natural light from our various windows. To this end, we have our cabinetry area. You can store more of your clothes and shoes on these wardrobe areas. So for this space, maybe you can have a large mirror where you can affirm every morning as you go to work or as you leave your home. To this far end, we have our master and suite bathroom area. It comes with all the necessities and comes with extra cup holders. You can put up shelves, just 2 or 3 of them, and maybe you can have your folded towels or your detergents to yourself in this room. There we have it, ladies and gentlemen. We have come to the end of this beautiful house tour. I have been your host, Caroline Mwende, and for this and many more beautiful homes, make sure to subscribe, click on the notification bell, and leave us a thumbs up. We will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.